Welcome to the Presenter Podcast, the podcast that dives into the world of media and its impact on society. I'm your host, Richie Litchfield, and in today's episode, we're exploring a fascinating topic: when TV presenters go rogue and the subsequent damage limitation. Television is a powerful medium that reaches millions of viewers worldwide, and the individuals who stand in front of the camera hold a great deal of influence. But what happens when those trusted figures deviate from the expected norms and engage in behaviour that damages their reputation and the networks they represent? Today, we'll be delving into this complex issue and discussing strategies for damage limitation. So let's get started. When a TV presenter goes rogue, the immediate steps a broadcasting network should take to initiate damage limitation are crucial. First and foremost, immediate communication is vital. The network needs to acknowledge the incident and issue a public statement expressing concern. This demonstrates transparency and a commitment to address the situation promptly. Additionally, it's imperative for the presenter involved to issue a public apology. This showcases accountability and a willingness to make amends, helping to rebuild trust with viewers who may have been affected by the presenter's actions. Once the initial steps are taken, broadcasters can employ subsequent actions to navigate damage limitation effectively. Conducting an internal investigation is crucial. The network needs to gather all relevant facts and determine the extent of the damage caused. Based on the investigation's findings, appropriate disciplinary measures should be taken against the presenter, ranging from reprimands to termination if necessary. Reinforcing standards and training within the network is also vital. Review and update existing policies to address potential risks associated with rogue behaviour. Providing additional training to presenters on professionalism, ethical conduct, and responsible use of social media can go a long way in fostering a culture of responsibility. Engaging with viewers is another essential aspect of damage limitation. Actively respond to their concerns through social media and other channels. Provide transparent updates on the steps taken to prevent further incidents. This communication helps rebuild trust and demonstrates the network's commitment to upholding values and standards. In conclusion, it's important to remember that one individual's actions do not define an entire network. By swiftly and transparently addressing the situation, implementing appropriate disciplinary measures, and reinforcing standards, broadcasters can minimise reputational harm and rebuild public trust. Well, that wraps up this episode of the Presenter Podcast. Remember, media plays a significant role in our society, and it's important to hold those in the industry accountable for their actions. If you've got any questions or suggestions for future episodes, please reach out to me on our website or social media platforms. Thanks for listening, and until next time, stay informed and stay critical.